Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Amir Uddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics Morning Shift, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of class 9. Our today's topic is Set Part-1. This is lesson number 21. Dear students, our today's class is mainly discussion class. You have already got some classes on this topic in higher mathematics. So, I hope the topic will be easy for you. Okay, let us start our today's class. At first, I want to discuss about what is set. Set is a well-defined collection of some objects in real or imaginary worlds. Suppose I have 3 books. Name of the books are Bangla, English and Mathematics. Now, the collection of these 3 books we can say as a set. We can keep these 3 books inside of second bracket and can separate the book giving comma. Now I want to discuss about the methods of expressing sets. In mathematics, we can express any set in 2 ways: rooster method and set builder method. I have already expressed a set here. I have expressed this set in rooster method. In this method, all of the elements are given directly. But in set builder method, we will not mention the element of set directly. Suppose that x such that x is odd natural number, x is odd natural number less than 10. If we convert this set in rooster method, the elements of set will be here. Elements of this set is x, and here x has to be maintained some condition. First condition, it will be natural number. Second condition, it will be odd number, and third condition, it will be less than 10. You know that natural number starting from 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dot all are natural number. Now we have to select only odd number from natural number, and then we have to take only the numbers less than 10. Maintaining these 3 conditions, we can take only 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Sorry, it's 9. This is rooster method and this is set builder method. Now, finite set and infinite set. At first, I want to discuss about finite set. Finite set. If the number of elements in any set is limited, then we can say that the set is finite set. Here, A is a set and its element is small a, small b and a small c. That means this set's number of element is 3. So, we can say that it is a finite set. Now, infinite set. If the number of element of a set is unlimited, then we can say that that set will be infinite set. Suppose x such that x is odd natural number Here the element of set is x, and x has to be maintained two conditions. It will be natural number and it will be odd number. So if we convert this set into rooster method, then its element will be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and dot dot dot. It will be start from 1 and its ending point is undefined. So this is a infinite set. Now we will discuss about universal set, subset and proper subset. Universal set, subset and proper subset. At first we are considering a set U is equal to A, B and C. Now we can make another some set A, B, B, C, A, B, C. Okay. Here the elements of this set are exist in set U. All elements of this set are also exist in set U. All element of this set also exist in set U. In this case, we can say that this set and this set are the subset of U. And in this perspective, we can say that U is a universal set of these three sets. Now, the question is, what is proper subset? Here, we know that every set is a subset of itself also. Here, A, B, C is a set and it's also a subset of U. Here the number of element of this set and this set are similar. In this case, we cannot say that this set is a proper subset of U. Only this set and this set are the proper subset of U. Different subset. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 1, 3. Now difference of A, we can denote difference of A is by A difference B or A minus B. This is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 1 and 3. Now we can make a set taking the elements except the elements of this set. That means only 2 and 4 will come here. This is the difference of set A and B. Now union of sets. Union of sets. We are considering two sets, A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and another set B equal to 2, 4, 5, 7. Now union of set A and B denoted by A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 union 2, 4, 5, 7. Now one new set will come, and in this set all of the elements of this set and this set will come. That means 1 2 3 4 5 and 7. This set is the union set of A and B. Now intersection of sets. Here A and B are two sets. Intersection of these two sets we can denote by A intersection B. This is equal to 1 2 3 and 4. Intersection 2 4 5 7, 2 4 5 and 7. Now we can make another set taking the elements of only common elements of this set and this set. We are making a set taking the elements, taking only the common elements of this set. Here 2 and 2 common elements, and 4 and 4 are common elements. So in this new set only 2 and 4 will come. This set is the intersection set of A and B. Now disjoint set. Suppose that A is equal to A, B, C and B is equal to 1, 2, 3. Now A intersection B will be. Here A intersection B, A, B and C. Intersection 1, 2 and 3. Intersection set means a set taking the common elements of this set and this set. Here any common elements is not exist, so it will be a empty set. If the intersection of two set is empty, then we can say that these two sets are disjoint set. In this case we can say that A and B are disjoint set. Now our last topic is power set. Power set. We are considering a set A equal to A, B and C. Now we can make some subsets A, B, C, AB, BC, AC, ABC and empty set. We know that empty set is a subset of any set and every set is a subset of itself. Now all of these set, here 1 set, 2 set, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, total 8 sets exist. These 8 sets are the subset of set A. Now we can make another set which elements will be the subset of A. This is a set and elements of this set is the subset of set A. Now this set, we can say that this set is the power set of A and we can denote it by phi of A. Dear students, we have finished our today's discussion. I hope you have understood today's class. Practice more and more at home. Stay home, stay safe, obey your parents' order. Thank you for watching the class. Allah Hafiz.